Everybody, today I again welcome you back to our page E-Star Insurance. Today from this video I will like to bring attention to a very important insurance in India, which is term insurance. Most of us decide to take a term insurance very early in their life when we start earning to protect our financial well-being of our family members. The most common mistake and the most common thing which we do is we go online, log on to a web aggregator's page or go directly to the company's website, enter our details and buy a term plan, feel satisfied that we have financially secured our family members in case something happens to us. But have you realized what would happen if there is a claim? Who's going to run around for the claim? What documents needs to be submitted for the claim? Yes, we might feel that all of this is written in the policy bond. My family members are well equipped, well learned. They can figure out what the documents need to be submitted and they will submit it and they will get the claims approved. I took a policy online, ensured that no person ever harassed me for getting another insurance policy, and my life continued. Friends, I would like to say this is one of the biggest problems in India when it comes to settlement of term plans. Term plan settlement is one of the most tricky settlements of insurances, not only in India but even around the world. The reason, this is only one of the few insurances where settlement only takes place after the death of the insured. So friends, always remember, once there is a claim in term plan, the family is already going through an emotional turmoil, and the least they want at that point is to undergo the problems which the insurance company would take you through, repeatedly asking you for the documents one after the other. I will just point out and let you know few instances as to why you shouldn't buy the policy online. Most of us, when we go and buy a term plan, we see that you get an accidental cover for a very small amount of premium, and we opt for it thinking that, in case something happens to me and I die due to an accident, my family members will get an extra payout because I died in an accident. But do you know that if you die in an accident, it is compulsorily important that you have to submit a post-mortem report to the insurance company? Do you know if there is a death, what documents you need to submit to get a claim? You don't know, right? How do you expect the family members to know that? Like I said again, the list which is mentioned in the policy bond is not exhaustive. That's just the preliminary documents. But there are certain documents and certain things which needs to be done as soon as there is a death reported, in case a term plan needs to be fully paid out. So what happens if we miss that out after a death? I am sorry to say your planned sum insured payout would be rejected, and the entire premiums which you had paid over the years and thinking that I have financially secured my family has been wasted. How do you come out of it? I always suggest take a policy through an intermediary, so that when there is a claim, he's there who's going to help you out, help your family members, and tell them these are the documents which you need to submit. Please send it to us. We'll audit it again and we'll forward it. Not only that, if there is a deficiency in the document that time itself, he will point it out to you. Remember, a claim delayed is like a claim rejected, or not, or if I may say even worse. If someone goes away, the financial benefits which he was getting to the family stops on that day itself. So you would need the payout for the term plan as soon as possible, and not a payout which is going to come after 1 year. Am I right or am I wrong? I'm pretty sure all of you would agree with this. Get it through an intermediary. When you select an intermediary, ensure that he is no longer a single person and that person is either of your age or younger to you. If a person, you take a policy and he's above the age of 55, 60, he's going to take out your claim or you're going to take out his claim. He's not going to be there when your claim is going to come. Always ensure to take it through an intermediary who has a team or who is young, so that he's going to be there when there is a claim. An intermediary who knows how to settle term plan, who has settled claims before, and he knows what is the best process and the fastest way to get a claim. Yes, there are a lot of companies who entice you by giving a discount of 2%, 3% when you take the term plan online. Think about it. Why are they doing that? They're doing that because they know if a term plan is taken online, the claim settlement goes down drastically. Most of the people will not be able to submit the documents which they require. Did you know that a post-mortem report would have to be submitted? Do you know that? No, you didn't, right? Did you know if there is a death at home, what all documents would need to be submitted along with the documents which are mentioned in the policy bond? I'm pretty sure you don't know. Because that's not a job, that's not a core job. We took the term plan thinking and believing that if there is a claim, my family will get the entire amount paid out without any hassle. Trust me, term insurances are a big problem when it comes to claim settlement. We at E-Star Insurance ensure and assure you that if a policy is taken through us, we'll ensure that the claim is settled fully. We have a fully dedicated team who's only looking after claim settlement. If not us, take it to somewhere else. But ensure they have a team and they have taken out few claims. Do not take the policy online. Do not feel that this is a video promoting our website or our channel or our name. This is just an information. I am sharing it to you so that you are aware. There are a lot of people in this world, term plans have started getting popular, who's taking term plan directly. Please don't. Take it after talking to an intermediary. Yes, you did your research online, you figured out, you pinpointed, you found out a company who says my claim settlement ratio is over the percentage of 99. So you are telling me that insurance companies are settling 99 out of 100 claims and still they are solvent? This is completely untrue. That 99% is the claim settled which they feel is genuine, not which is genuine, which they feel is genuine. I would highly recommend look back at your term plan, see if there's an intermediary, attach a medical test which was done for your term plan. If you haven't done a medical test for your term plan, that's a big no. Always ensure that you get a medical checkup before you get your term plan issued. It is very, very important in today's world. If you haven't taken a term plan, do it right away. Like a learned person once said, the best time to take the best time to take a term plan was yesterday, and the second best time is today. Do not delay taking a term plan. Do not take a term plan through an online web aggregator or directly through the website. Take it through someone who's going to be there when the claim arises and ensures your claim settled at the earliest. If you liked the video, please comment, like, share and subscribe so that more people become aware of this and they take the best term plan for themselves to the best person possible. Thank you.